Professional negligence claims, such as medical malpractice or medical negligence claims, are very expensive and they're very complex. The first step is to get the medical records for the patient. Sometimes the patient is still alive. That is a personal injury claim, or sometimes they've died as a result of the professional negligence. The starting point is the medical records. We and our professional staff review those medical records to determine whether or not the healthcare professionals involved in the case were guilty of a breach of the standard of care. That means they didn't do something they were supposed to do that resulted in the harm. Once our review is complete, we send the records off to be reviewed by an expert in the same field of healthcare that was involved in this patient's particular case. We have to get a sworn statement called an affidavit from that professional before we're allowed to bring the claim. Once we get that sworn statement or affidavit from our expert, we provide what's called pre-suit notice to the offending healthcare provider, who would become the defendant, the person responsible for our client's injury. The defendant then has an opportunity to review the affidavit and to enter into preliminary discussions and negotiations with us about the claim. If we don't settle the case in pre-suit, then we file a lawsuit on behalf of our clients, and the defendant has an opportunity to answer the lawsuit and file their written defenses. After that, we go through discovery, which includes things called depositions, where the involved parties are questioned under oath. Experts are questioned under oath, and if the matter isn't resolved through negotiations or mediation, the case goes to trial. At the trial, the judge and the jury have an opportunity to review all of the evidence put on by the plaintiff, which is our client and our witnesses, and the defense, and determine who should win. After that, whoever's unhappy with the result can take an appeal, and an appellate court of judges will determine whether or not the verdict should stand or the case should start over and go back to trial. If we have not answered your specific questions in this video or the rest of the videos and information on our website, please contact us for a free consultation. We believe that you have too much at stake not to protect your legal rights.